Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by authenticating and confirming control. Log into Bitget with two-factor authentication so you can safely change settings. Once logged in, go straight to the orders and position screens to see live exposure. Make sure you identify any active bots or API keys that could reopen trades automatically. You want a clear picture before closing anything, because accidental closures or forgotten bots are the most common mistakes people make when stopping trading immediately. Now cancel every pending order first. Limit and stop orders can trigger new positions if left active. Once orders are gone, close positions, use market closes for speed or reduce only to avoid flips. This prevents creating new long or short exposure. After positions are handled, go to API settings and revoke keys for bots or exchanges and disable any automatic trading features. These steps stop further trades at the source, so make sure each cancel and revoke shows a confirmation before moving on. For a full stop, move assets out of active markets. Transfer collateral to spot and withdraw to your cold wallet or bank. That physically prevents leverage or quick re-entry. Then disable margin and futures trading in your account settings where possible, and turn off payment methods if needed. Finally, enable email and push alerts and consider an account lock or change passwords. If something goes wrong, check notifications and audit API logs immediately. That single troubleshooting tip catches most hidden reactivation sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.